11th question. A cot theta plus B cosecant theta equal to P and B cos theta cosecant theta B cot theta plus A cosecant theta equal to Q. Then P square minus Q square equal to dash. Solution. A cot theta plus B cosecant theta the whole square minus B cot theta plus A cosecant theta the whole square. Now this form is A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So first identity. We use this identity A square cot square theta plus B square cosecant square theta plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta minus this one is the first form. Second one is B square cot square theta plus A square cosecant square theta plus 2AB into cot theta cosecant theta. Now we multiplied by minus. Second, first same A squared cot square theta plus B squared cosecant square theta plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta multiply by minus B squared minus B squared cot square theta minus A square cosecant square theta minus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta. So plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta and minus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta is cancelled. Now A is common, A squared is common, cot square theta minus cosecant square theta plus B squared equal into common B square into cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Now A square into minus 1 plus B square into 1 equal to minus A square plus B square. That answer is B square minus A square. This is the answer. Now B square minus A square is the answer.